It's that time of the day again, 11:45 a.m. Let's go, let's flow. Hashtag better ace, let's get the cooking. Hello. Join me today at hashtag better ace with your host, Chef Dvine. We are making cheddar chicken. You gotta get your bacon cheddar chicken. Join me. You will need the following items. Alright, I want you to get you a nice baking pan to cook your, what you say, bacon cheddar chicken. You will also need some gloves for when you're preparing the chicken and cleaning it. Get you 4 nice clean chicken breasts, baby. A whole onion. A cup of cheddar cheese. This is non-dairy cheddar cheese. 4 teaspoons of butter, unsalted. The following seasons you will need is pepper, salt, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and some good old Dvine seasoning. Let's get started, baby. Your first step is to cut up your onion. Alright. Cut your unsalted butter into 5 tablespoons. Like so. Be sure to soak the chicken that you clean into a nice saltwater bath so that you can get all the excess blood out. Remember to put salt into your water. Like so. Be sure you got your Dvine tomato sauce, baby. What would this be without some Dvine tomato sauce? Alright. Let's go, let's flow. Share this out to somebody you know. And let us, get the bacon cheddar chicken. Hello. Thank you for joining your chef. Hashtag Dvine. It's truly been a pleasure. Now, the first thing I want you to do is take one of those tablespoons of butter, and I want you to take the bottom of your pan and rub that butter in, baby. You got to rub that butter in. Alright, be sure you get the sides. Be sure to get the sides. You want to make sure everything is covered. Now, the first thing I want you to do, you have this option, it's up to you. You don't have to do it, but you have this option. It is up to you. I want you to take your Dvine sauce and sprinkle some of it on the bottom of your baking dish. Get you a nice spoon like so. And get your sprinkle on, baby. You gotta sprinkle it, baby. Yeah, go ahead, baby. And this way, you will have some tomato sauce. For those who like tomato sauce, you will also have some on the bottom. And if you know what I'm referring to, it gives you a nice tomato and cheese crust on the bottom. And it also makes it easy to clean up when you're cleaning. Now, let's get that chicken in to the pan. I want you to go to sorry, I didn't even say it. I want you to go to your sink and I want you to wash that remaining salt out of your chicken. You gotta season it, baby. Now that chicken is nicely seasoned, don't forget your Dvine seasoning. Let's get this into this pan. I want you to take your chicken and layer it in your tomato sauce. Layer it in your tomato sauce. Layer it in your tomato sauce. That right there, what we just did, was smothered the chicken into the sauce. And if you notice, I'm taking my pointer finger and my thumb and I'm pushing it in like so. That's so that it can cook properly and your sauce will come up within there and get all up in between there. Let's go, let's flow and share this baked cheddar chicken out to somebody you know. All right, now your next step is to get your onions, baby. Now, if you do like I do, you would have seasoned your onions, because there's no party like a seasoned party. So get your seasoned onions in there and sprinkle them on the top and on the side. However you would like to do it, just make sure that you get your onions in there, baby. And this is a option. You don't have to add onions. This is all up to you, babe. It's all in what you want to do. So, if you don't like onions, not to worry. You do not have to add them. It's all at your discretion. Now, we're going to get some more Dvine's tomato sauce, you know. But this time you're going to take it and pour it on the top. Pour it on the top. Pour it on the top. Now, spread it out. And if you need more, just add some more. We need about another 2 to 3 teaspoons there. Actually, 2 was enough. Now, I want you to get your cheddar cheese, the non-dairy kind, and drizzle it, baby. Go ahead, baby. Just drizzle it, baby. Yes, go ahead, baby. You want to drizzle it everywhere and make sure that it is fully covered, baby. And then you're going to add some more Dvine tomato sauce after you drizzle it, baby. Go ahead, baby. You got the drizzle it, baby. Yes, go ahead, baby. Did you get your drizzle on? Did you get your drizzle on? Ain't nothing like a drizzle, baby. And then you go and get the remainder of your cheese that you had, because you're going to need 2 cups. So be sure that your other cup is ready after you put this second shower of Dvine sauce on there. You want to sprinkle it like so. Notice how I'm slowly doing this. And then I let a lot go at the end because, as you can see, it's close to a wall right there. Then you just spread it out. You get that Dvine sauce on there and you spread it out, baby. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Thank you for choosing #BetterEats, where you better eat some what? Cheddar bacon chicken. Like, share, subscribe. Be sure to share with a friend so that they can have some cheddar bacon chicken. Let's go on this flow. Your last step will be to add the remaining cheese. Sprinkle it, baby. Yes, go ahead, baby. You got to sprinkle that, baby. Go ahead, baby. What? Sprinkle it, baby. Go ahead, baby. Get your sprinkle, baby. And go ahead, baby. Now, this is what you call a cheddar bacon chicken. Put this in the oven at 425 for 2 hours. I will see you in 2 hours, baby. Let's go, let's flow. Share this cheddar bacon chicken recipe out to somebody you know. Be sure to get that in the oven at 375 for 2 hours. We'll see you back in 2 hours, baby. You have the option to cover it or to leave it uncovered. However, I'm going to cover mine. Get in my oven. Be sure to put a baking pan under your dish so if anything spills, it catches it. Remember, your cooking temperature is 475. Cleanup time. Welcome back to #BetterEats. I didn't tell you, but I added a pot of greens. Now let's get into this. What? Bacon cheddar chicken. Isn't this lovely? Such a most beautiful thing. All right, take your chicken out. It is ready to plate up and serve to your family. Let's go, let's flow. Share this out to somebody you know. #BetterEats at 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This has been your host, Chef #Dvine. I'll see you on plating time. Plating time.